In this video, we're going to take a look at claim tasks. Differentiating itself from the work list approach, claim tasks are a little bit more flexible and can be set to alert team members on login or any point where they return to the main menu. Under the entry section, on the tasks tab, you'll see any task events that are attached to a specific claim. There may be more than one in some situations. For example, here we have two different tasks. Some have an M that's highlighted with an orange color around it, indicating that there are multiple claims attached to this same event. In this case, it would only be the single claim attached to this event. If there are multiple team members attached, you can choose to detach yourself, or you can also link yourself to an event. You have the option to turn on or off the alarm for a given task, or you can navigate directly to the task here. In this case, we're not going to create a task here just for this one claim. However, you could accomplish that by clicking on a new claim task here. So we'll begin by going into the claim query. Clear the query. Let's say TRICARE claims have something that need to be examined in them. So we wanted to create a task for those claims. We also wanted to narrow the claims down to only claims which were open. We'll reset the query. We'll go into the claim status and we'll set this to open claims only, and then we'll constrain this found set. So now we have a set of claims which have TRICARE as the primary carrier and our open claims. From here, we'll go over to our work list tab, the WKL. Some of these claims already have a task attached to them. You'll see that here with this orange glow indicating tasks already assigned. And as you select them, you'll see the task in the lower right. We'll begin by selecting Provider Team Member to attach the claims to. Then we'll click on the Create Event Task button. This creates a new event with the current date that has those claims attached to it. Let's say this task needs to be accomplished by the 28th. Let's set the alarm for 1 day prior to the event. So we'll click on 1 day before. Whatever description we wished in there, perhaps check TRICARE issue. Now we can attach the provider team members we wish to this list. For this purpose, we'll leave it set to administrator, who we are currently logged in as. However, you could attach one or multiple team members to this task. Let's say, for instance, we need a carrier follow-up. Criteria is already set to a claim task. It defaults to incomplete. Based on our task preferences, these are what will be set when a claim task is created. We now see a list here of all of our claims which are attached to this task. When the user logs in or returns to the main menu, I'm being warned that I have a claim task that I need to detach from or to snooze the alarm. I can choose to snooze the alarm. Perhaps I wish to snooze this to an hour from now. Then when I return to the main menu, the warning will no longer be there. So let's say we wanted to take a look at that claim task. If we click on the scheduling section, if the date range is set to the date of the event, all those events will be listed here. Click in and look at that specific event. This is the claim task that we just created, the claims associated with it. At any point, you can navigate directly to that claim. So you can edit those claims, correct as you need, and then return to the list.